everyone! My name is Wei Wei, and I'm so excited to be part of the academic team at Yoyo Chinese. I love helping students succeed at learning this amazing language. We have some exciting news to share with you. Over the next few months, we'll be releasing new videos to teach you Mandarin with our Phrase of the Day series. The goal is to learn a little Chinese every day. Don't worry, each video is short and sweet, and will complement the lesson videos and study features in our existing beginner conversational course on yoyochinese.com. During this series, you'll learn one Chinese phrase each day for 4 days. And then on the 5th day, you'll review what you've learned, including vocab, grammar, and sentences. This video series teaches practical Chinese phrases and sentences that you can actually use in everyday conversation. By the end of this series, you'll learn how to introduce yourself in Chinese, talk about your day, express your likes and dislikes, and much more. To show your support and to be sure you don't miss those Chinese Phrase of the Day series, click like and follow us here on YouTube or on our Facebook channel. Okay, without further ado, let's go ahead and check out today's phrase of the day. It's Hi everyone. To say hi everyone in Chinese, you say 大家好. 大家好. The first part you heard, 大家, is the Chinese word for everyone and everybody, and literally means big family. 大 meaning big and 家 meaning house or family. In Chinese, when you say everyone, you're kind of like saying big family, which sound a bit weird but kind of makes sense when you start to think about it, because we're all one big family. Now say it with me. 大家大家. That's the 4th tone, and then the 1st tone. 大家. If you're having difficulty with pronouncing the 4 tones in Chinese or mimicking the sounds of Chinese pinyin, you've got to check out our free lessons at the start of our beginner conversational course. Our unique approach to teach tones will finally help you master these sounds right from the start. Now let's move on. At the start of our lesson, after 大家, we said 好. 好 on its own means good, but it's also used at the end of a people's name or titles to create a greeting. For instance, you probably know how to say hello in Chinese, right? It's 你好. Well, that's the same how we're using today. We're just putting it after a different pronoun. Instead of you hello, 你好, we're saying everyone hello, 大家好. As you may have also noticed, the order of the words here is the opposite of English. In Chinese, you have to put greeting 好 after the pronoun, not before. Say with me. 好 好. Good. That's the tricky 3rd tone. If you're having trouble with it, check out our lessons on the tones in our beginner course. Also, if you'd like to learn more about 好, we cover it in Unit 4 of the course. It's totally free, so be sure to check it out. Alright, now you should all know how to say hi everyone in Chinese, right? Say it with me. 大家好大家好大家好 Good job! That was pretty easy to learn, right? Hopefully learning these basic phrases gives you the confidence that you really can learn this amazing language. When you're ready to follow a structured course and make progress studying Mandarin, head to yoyochinese.com, sign up, and go through the first 20 lessons of our beginner conversational course for free. I'll see you next time. Bye!